How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today's you'll take a look at ZOM Zomedica. Great day for this one. This is exactly what we needed heading into the future here. Up 18 cents at the bell, just shy of 20%. And right now, doing a pretty good job of holding that dollar level. We'll switch it to the 5-day, 5-minute chart here so you can get a bigger picture. Oh, there's still barcodes on the chart here. So this is what I call barcoding. For you guys, you don't know. It's just when the stock goes up, down, up, down. But here's the thing about these barcode days, that once you get the volume and the volume starts kicking in here, it's gonna rocket, and it's exactly what it did from a dollar to 114, a beauty 14-cent trade. But if you're long hauling it, this is exactly what you wanted to see. You guys know the news heading into March here about the release of the True Forma. I've been an advocate for saying that we don't want this to be a pump and dump, because if it was, I don't want it to be pulled a GNUS, and I've been saying that. GNUS spiked up on news, and then when the day of the release came, it was nothing. It was just up 20%, and that may be good for some of you, but not when the news of it was up basically from 24 cents to $1.48, and that's exactly what I don't want to happen here. So I would like it to stay above a dollar. Maybe tomorrow we see a little of a pullback and just slowly step up to the 148 level. I'll go ahead and make that the green dotted line, because that is the new price target for SNDL here heading into the future. And then we'll switch this green dotted line with a red line to represent support, because that is very good, and that's exactly what you want to see heading into the future. Today's volume was really good, 210 million shares. Well, long grand scheme of things, nothing like the 1 billion on that one day, but you really can't complain with that. Looks like we have some earnings coming out. Looks like the 25th. If this will load, I don't think it will, but that's okay. For support, we do have some good support at 85 cents, but I really don't want to see it go down to there. And we looks like we also have some at 95 and hopefully a dollar. I do think we will, because a dollar is always mental, or even just physical, like actual support that we can have here. Well, the key things that I've been noticing: spike up, push, pull back, but then when the spike up, it doesn't spike higher, meaning it doesn't make higher highs, which is not good at all. And just keep on stair stepping down. That's exactly what we don't want. So, like I said, heading into the future, we gotta break above these levels. Just stair stepping up. Like maybe like a day it goes up, maybe not 20%, goes up 2%, and like for the next 10 days you keep on going up 2% with some minor pullbacks, and boom, you're headed into the right direction. Looks like there's going to be resistance at $1.38 as well as $1.36 heading into next week. But it looks like we did kind of break this downtrend here. If I can switch it to the price start line here, you see here, wedge broke. This was a wedge. It kind of broke, but at the same time it didn't, because then it just fell back. And then this one, the same thing. It pushed up for a day pre-market and then just selling off. So with this not selling off at the bell, we'll have to see where it goes tomorrow. If it sells off, I feel like it's just lots of last minute people trying to drive with the price in to short it. I don't know what the short percent value or percentage is on this one. Remind me to go check it out. Like I said, heading into the future, the $1.48 level is going to be on everybody's mind. Taking you out to the 3-year chart. Yeah, so the 298 is also another level to beat. We do have some more resistance at the $1.80. What is that? $1.75 level. So these earnings, that's going to be coming out the 25th before Market Central Standard Time. So that should be 8:30 Eastern Time, I believe. That hopefully will be good. And then as well as the True Forma that is releasing. Let's see here. Sometime in March. I know that for a fact. It probably says, it's probably right in my face, but okay. So this was also huge. Zomedica signs True Forma distribution agreement with Miller Veterinary Supply. Now, just looking from a news, I'm nautical trader here. A company wouldn't say that they're going to be having distribution if the True Forma isn't going to be released. Like, Many of you guys commented in my last ZOM video saying that they're just going to keep on pushing it back like they have been, but I don't think they're going to do that now, because why would you sign unless to now you're getting risky here with pushing up the stock with false news, and I don't think anybody wants to do that. I don't think anybody wants to go to jail here. Because it does sound a little sketchy. So I don't think they are doing that. I think that in mid-March they're going to release True Forma. They already have a distribution agreement, and it's going to be out in veterinaries. I'm assuming nationwide, because that would just make sense. Why would you do it? Nearest commercialization, boom, right there, guys. This is what I'm talking about. You don't release these news if you, unless you want to go to jail, because if the CEO, I don't think he would, to be honest with you. So, mid-March, guys, I just beg of you, put this on your watch list. Remember to trade your own plan your own trade. Just keep it on your watch list, guys. I do feel this, guys. I don't hold any position right here, but I do feel like this will go to the $3 level mid-March, because the fact that it didn't pump up and it held levels. I'll just show you GNUS chart if you guys um, haven't traded or haven't even looked at it. So right here, this is what the news that they're in mid-June. This is the June 29th. They were going to release it, and look, it pumped up from trading at 22 cents to $11.73, and then it pumped up way too quickly. And look, here's a release date, went from 230 to 380. Yeah, that's a good trade, but now look at it. It's trading with a little spike up. Will we see something now? Maybe. So that's exactly, and we've been talking about this in the Patreon too, and many of you guys agree. We don't want this to be pumped up. We want a nice, steady stair incline, just like Tesla. Maybe not like Tesla. Maybe a little more stretched out, like right here. But you guys know, obviously I know it's a different sector and everything, but still, technical analysis standpoint. All right, guys, that was ZOM. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't. Questions, comments, opinions, drop them down below. Remember, guys, click the link in the description to join the Patreon. I appreciate every single one of you for sticking around. Like I said, see you in the next one.